representative in Sierra Leone. Today, we are here for deliver so many things into our way. Rudiga and other people in support of these people, the BME, don't make. And I believe that the SSO are there also today. So, without wasting much of your time, seek a volunteer or everybody for pray 1 minute on your own belief. Amen. Amen. The woman on the right, now, Madam Memuna, I call her mommy, from Lunchbox Gift. And the one from the left, the name of Marianne, where the popular brand of Madam Woki. So let's people will tell you much more about what we did so far. Thank you very much, and to this end, I'm Ambassador Kenneth there. Thank you.
Okay, let us sorry for you. All welcome. The wrong time. As the man said, Memuna Jane, I'm there for represent one organization where they call Lunchbox. They are an organization, a charity, where they look after people in a school. Okay, so we fix the kids in a school. We don't pass school now every day. We feed hundreds of the kids in a school. Now they provide eating service for people that can be back as well. So now that will play me different normally. But until we all know say this people don't kind of we continue now we then call corona not so. So that means to say we all get for hanging, but then we will go every step, let it stick to so that means to say some of we don't use for do this particular work with this emergency care we decide say let we join and we set and find other solution for every country. Okay? So my sister there, my small sister, when they call Mariana, in get this place and her own operation is they call her Madam Woki. Instead they do similar work with like me. In the picking them with school uniform at school, any close way so now so in the pull for that profits day, it make the school uniform and people in school bay and all that that's the day. So me and I don't work together on several projects then. So when this idea kind of with mine, it's so easy for we to come back together for we make some kind of solution for we all. Alright? So the history that they behind this project. Some of them clients today, they're not telling really what they come for. But I don't kind of want to see that they practicing and I don't understand. So me they try to do a small background why they could decide to do this. But before I go on, I want to recognize one very important person within there for which that's what they do. Because anything they do, if I call the big one away from the government don't put before. Let them there for watch what they do, for make sure say what they do is correct. So we get between Madam Miata French, where the government put in charge of the corona's management in the western area. We all know I the commissioner for NEP, but now we have no way what close. Now we depend affect the COVID sick. So in the so today for which place, and inside get small message we go get to concerning all what they go on there so we look like we come like everybody else we come on salon and all around the world. We as citizens that we look and say, what's it the way we go for do like an ordinary citizen? What's it the way we go able for do for help this condition of the country? We talk to the master service people them when they control all things like EOC. We find out from them who side the sick fast, who side they go fast. Because when you want to fix something, you got to look for society problem they first because money not plenty. You never take your money, you scatter all of us. You must spend who side is sick there, you attack it first before you know you begin go other side. But then don't tell we say now this western area, now they sick plenty. Okay? So we look at and inside 3 or more that is plenty. So we look at so when they talk about what's the way go do now? We start tap inside this western area. What's the way we go do? For help perfect this sick. What is small thing that we will go for help perfect this sick? So when they follow what's in the Masasabi around the world they talk, they say what's that they explain, and they all the time we now say for welfare smash, not to so for what we earn, not to so and we're not for there we say. So you see how we get that today, not to so we blow use together. We the people that we like forgive for it, so we say not to so. But now things don't change for we first leave it to say we're going to keep this stand. So we look and say, anything we can do. We go help for educate people how they for manage themselves for concerning this sick. But also we go help for teach people what they for do, for why they mask, for what they earn, and for let them know near themselves. So the first thing we will do do for we campaign, we make video, put on players and then make that video there for we. Where and they said come aboard for Batowi for make we try for show people that out there for the community. What for people that they right inside market. Why would they target market woman? Well, market only community where you did at any country. The market's not in the center, not so. All man must go market. So when you want to talk to the people then now through market too and now you they get send message, not so. So we look and say before we they go begin try for talk to all man. Now we spend the people the way they inside society, where they want they sell, where they talk it means something, how they behave it means something. So that make we say we they work with the market woman and the mama of the nation, not so and they all the akbar now, they able to talk to the beginning and they see all things and they hear all things. So that's we decide say let we come together, let we do something for talk to the market woman them, let we work with the market woman and then go pass the message now to the one that when they come by and the one that when they own, etc. etc. Well, anything you want to do, you need money, not so anything like this, so you can get to that okay again and in my but if you don't get money, no problem. So, my sister, because in get one of factory situation, where they make close them, it is so easy for going to production for make them Christmas here. Because all man they tell we save for one Christmas. But now, how for pay for it? The first two we will do now, we set to we set in together in them. Me and one of them together we and we set pay for we set. We don't go to Cotton Road, we don't go to Abacha. Yes. And the response being good. We see the people are glad for that. We see this is something we can help. So we now say, well, they say the city council, the tell we say, then get 30 to 40 markets at the one old fruit on. Then they tell we say, market woman then they must 60,000 at the one old fruit on. So we take and say, well, this number of people, let we try to see if we're able to get that people, they will battle with. But then we'll make all the market women they wear Christmas. That's the way you go to market. When you see all market women they wear Christmas, so you say, okay, if you yourself, you go say to cover your face. You say, remember, say, this is not wear Christmas. Not so? Yeah. So we now the problem when we left for we now how to spend the money. So we begin knocking the money, so we begin get together with people there. This organization when they call it EU from Sabia, the European Union. Now one of the first organizations that we were approached, we say this thing don't conquer with time short. We're not going able to get all the money so we say we saw the door, it will take long. So there if we get a 1 million, we say put 1 million. Any 1 million we get we say put 1 million. Any $1, we say put $1. Tell God take it, then agree. They tell you right proposal, we send them proposal, then agree. They say they go battle with. Anybody who will get that, that's how they match and they put on top. So that's it now, we know so that the project don't get small speed. We continue for approaching people. This week, what they have, what they call Antonio Rudiger. Some them football people there, them man there, they all Sabia. Not so? Na Salon Baba, na Conor Pikinse, where it's in Germany. And they play for the big football team in England, Chelsea. So again, we're going to knock at the end of what's the day. We say, Papa, now this problem not in a salon now. There, we go able to help a little bit for get us support, for get help for do this work for them at the as we ask us, so you not take 1-2 hours, now you come back and say yes. So let God bless you for that one day. He put in all those kind of one game, he get a company footballer, Arsenal footballer, they inside the Chelsea footballer, they inside it. Get there. He said, when I can't help me last, help me country. Between them even $10,000. And then the first people they set for info. So they are making a clap for them first. They first for info, that's the project. So from there now, we know so that $10,000 there. EU then have to agree to anyone will get that. That's how they give it. So that's how they give it $10,000. So that's how we take together the money. Other organizations they went back so we different kind of way. If I call the whole night today, go more than. But flash vehicle, these are people that when they get a big Land Cruiser. Then now that they can go outside. All the time they sit on the house, and they can go, they don't go take care of them, go for elastic. We don't depend on it. So that's how they kind side and say they go battle way because what they do is an important thing for the community. And that's how the same fruit on themselves. So I want to let themselves clap for themselves. The buckets they all they see so before we. This one also I think that the hottest cake, eh? Them buckets here yesterday no more. Oh, I watched this company when they call me like they didn't like you see, New Road, we approach them, we say, now this is what they do. Yeah, we want to safe way out of get them like to the mask, then when they go carry and go to us, where you know go in soil or anything. So yeah, when I go for battle, we then safe now they don't cast them, kill them, but this morning not so they go cast, right? So I think sense for me, now a fantastic thing for sure. So salon people they even work together. The one they went overseas or the one they went in there or these projects they all can put there. Another they put 10 down. I didn't even get possible when they deposit 20 cents. People that they put money, less than the small thing that they put because they believe say if owners safe, we all go safe. So salon people apart from them big I don't cause like what they feel like I don't forget anybody. But apart from them big name what they call so for cool people and they we party there with brother there with sister that we don't can they don't put hand to let this work to go before. So this campaign back it take we just 2 weeks. I still start at 2 weeks now it take me for spend the money and for make all the masters. I'm glad it for town today and as I introduce my sister and I learn take this stand. But I said this is my baby, this small girl so it don't produce the 60,000 master for on a fast one. Inside 1 week it don't produce that. So that's how I will let you talk now. I hand it over to my expert owner. How can you take me outside?
So coming on afternoon. We all realize this owner in the country and very seriously. We also realize back again say a lot of people in there we of course know how to cope. But because of the corona, nobody know they go to tell us stop because they go so close. You know, we all correct the message, go for people from there and go to the work with them. So one of the things that we do, you know, as my sister said, nobody try for spending money. We realize say, you know, salon not just for one person. The problem they want to get affect everybody else. You know, and then, you know, we decide say in my then shall we say they get over 50,000 like money. So one of the things they know we realize, we tell a man they didn't have, they know we talk to say. But then we realize they not so even job for that. Because the people back again, we see also no more than them. They get for feeding families, they don't get money, they get cost money, they can't afford it. So one of the things that we do, we believe in woman and man empowerment. You know. So one of the things that we do, employ 100 telemani from different sides in Africa. We go as far as Kabalato to see what we pick telemani, we go to tell shop them. We ask them what's not a problem them. We tell them this is very big ticket action and because we have to. One for produce 60,000 market for market leaders. We all got for come together as one for police the master. So some of them they open at a shop. Some other one and the most of them, I think it's about 70 of them I have to they go. So even when they get in lockdown, I tell them, I say me I don't use and me and his granny nobody now. My brother. I say I don't use to do one green. But now for this lockdown, I say this is a problem. I tell them I can see my day, so don't tell them say 2 weeks to be there. Don't need for police to match that. It's like 7 days. So morning and then they don't say they need for whether they go for 4 o'clock in the morning for prayer and for ready for the fast. They go pray after that they go. You understand it? And they all work in a very safe and healthy environment. And you focus on that, you know, even through this problem time, at least inside that one week, each teller man make up in mind. Man as well as woman, they are going to they are going to because this body has only young guy, they are going to you realize if each teller man make a target for instead of produce 1,000 masks, they go for going out inside that one week, 3 million. And for we the focus for me right now that this is also world for everything. You understand? And government of course, they hope the government will announce summer for a mask. Although they look and say how even the one especially they stay so, how will they be able to empower them? So that I know we don't do, they all work money in the net, not easy. So man they can't say more than that, then they say they go for work, but at the end of the day they say listen, we need to protect the mama and the provide mama. So let me tell you and say inside 1 week, get 100 tailors for different sides and Africa, so that come out from Watano, whether come out from Grafton, whether come out from PZ, they all kind of also, they all have follow police the mask, so we don't know the mask there. Of course, that they carry buckets there. So that the order.
Yes. A very important point it touched on, so when you talk about the Telaman and the Telahuman, because you know, it's easy for them person like this will get this kind of place say, well, may they take all this money, may they work this work to be safe. But you know do that one day. Because the kind of work they do, from not to corona make us begin do so work in the community, we don't take on that. So we know the pain within the community. And now the first month, you understand? We tell a man they make he get for look after in household. Tell a woman they get for look after in household, they get for making zakat. If money not there, I go cope. So if we make the project tough for we small, but we know so this is not the important thing for do for let tell a man they're all over Freetown, let them self get small thing. If that guy gets able for don't put and down for the first month. So that means to say the project it take another dimension because now we go for the go, you know, for the check all things, we go for the go what we do. Tell God thank you, God give me the life and the stand. We don't able for, as we can say, sutra so many different homes there because we 100% get money. It's outside the sense, so not catching stuff outside the sense, so other people that they get for the blessing. Yeah? So that way you walk the walk. And I don't know. The buckets they want to see so inside the buckets they will crack the master. What do they do that? It's important so the people they need to understand how to protect them till they are so. When they look at them also of poison and pieces was in job very, very important. And we need to keep them clean. Like how the madam don't explain when they produce and they go through strict procedure how to produce the master. And we set up for make sure so we all things clean, we got to make sure so they stay sterilized, they stay clean, they all iron, so no bug our left day. And now we don't make a done so that so we'll take our hand and over to. We get person from EOC will come into that, you know, at the you said the time busy, you know we can right now. But at some it don't come. Okay. Alright, I think at this point maybe we can talk to us about how for wear mask, how for keep them kind of thing because it's important. When we give on something from we open the leg, if find back we make sure say una self know what thing for do it and not so. Una will go now, una na the chair lady then and then back it down, I will go tell in our community. Anybody who needs support for that, they wait to say in it let other person can talk to the people that you call we know what you tell we. When they work with the EOC that then I saw they go go into and on the market they go able to explain. A different video that they will go show now. Yeah? What let's take this opportunity to introduce this madam. You have to take it. Yeah. I think I will make you introduce it.
Okay, good afternoon all. I'm in a I want to tell you thank you for this kind of initiative on the tape. Me at the Western Urban Social Mobilization Manager at the EOC, but I've been supposed to carry today for represent my boss when at the district EOC person when Madam Miata French, and he sent me for represent tonight, but unfortunately I've been to do some work, so I try to call Madam Memuna Janet. Okay, Madam Mrs. Memuna Janet will not be able to get around. For by the time they get my boss there already, so I want to take this opportunity for telling her thank you and for introduce me boss to make it take the podium and talk to Una because as long as he's there. I'm not going to talk with him there. If he's not been there, then I need to talk to the woman then. So, Madam is here.
Okay, alright. Good afternoon. This day I asked for talk with small. I didn't use small. And one get for the staff. Yes, now this time not with me. And all things get for change. Because nobody know the imagine so good work and I want to talk about one. But he don't come and for let go, we get for this. We don't know how important until we sometimes he can hear you there, he realize say you don't ask for let it come up from one person to the other and also to understand the same. So even though you're uncomfortable, especially when they work inside all day they talk. When you're in a market, all day talk you get. So it's not easy. But we are let's see how we give we. You wait to make me there, I wait to make a this woman come. Now for no come day, say we are. Whether you will not use them properly. Because if you don't use something you know use them fine, then you might as well not get. Also. So we don't see people them and they wear them where they want to talk to them. But the easy way today, now for people they talk, that breeze where they come out inside your mouth and nose, make it not be possible. So if you want to talk to people like that, you don't quite use where you are from. That's point number one. Then the time we're going to look for the touch structure. Because it protects you. What was in the top, whatever breeze, whatever the other breeze say, it don't limit you. But before you're ready for cooler, when you cool and done, you know what's your hand. Before you go do all that too. Then now you set the total now, you have counter all five. That's number one. Number two, when you then you face. If you don't touch and too much, when you touch them, or say you don't touch them, you rub the eye, then you know forever. You put that left so that make for long term. People that they talk say, no, no use them. Because they know say it will protect you, but if you don't use them fine, it's not like a fire. It will cook for you, but if you forget yourself with time, no problem. So that make no teaching in our house, they tell us say no, until when you reach this way, you don't say you will understand how for you with fire. I don't want to talk about myself, we are just saying yes for you. Yes. But I don't want to talk to the camera. They are this off camera. So man go drink one or two. That's the one. Now the same way this old person. So tell one way they are right now. So tell one person get a boy in feel. If you laugh and play with them, they go pass and give you. If you not strong enough, they not kill you. So we really get to take with them. Now we know the touch and now we use them for properly. Anything where you work by yourself, you just want to hide it. So I tell make the example. When you remember that, you know, when you take member for touch and say, hey. If I mean that, I don't go to them. So I'm going to go to corner and I arrange to say, today you come on and go back. So yeah, now we know the touch and won't pull them, what you are back to do that. If you want to, I don't take it for us. So then when you come to the market and do a bug, or you want customer where you can, you don't able to display because you don't like much. But here, so then they go make all that take a numb now. Because when you don't say this, I'm not even for cosmetics, so keep quiet. And one thing when they talk, say this person they don't help for you. Because the teleman member, apart from the zakat and the court part, people they don't get for so close or good. That get close, you know, they this year because we don't think say that time to get for it. So we are really not help them. So now so we get for them at the community. Nobody try for every percent. Because if not so that this thing it go overcome with. We're not gonna say hey in all this from it. Right now they get an atom today, we refer to Dandy. They get one sign of something where people they we know they know how to stick the pass. And all man they go back. So you know they know who's customer where they can to you, where you get them. Because sometimes they show now. When you catch now, if you get small thing now, maybe you're not strong enough, you're not strong. So yeah, those guys from the center, and not like you know that guy they were supposed to get along with the low. This one now, they want to take this one. So those guys, those brilliant people. Now that small talking normal, yes. I don't know if this man, they are the experts. I don't know if it's wrong.
Pass, what pass?
You know the pass.
So, yeah.
Okay, I still want to thank you, Madam. So, Madam Woki.
You the pass?
Especially for the women in the target. We all are aware that women then are the caregivers when we get situations like them where the man then sick, the people then sick now us, anybody sick. Now the woman first, therefore, be the first point where we're able to take care of the family in our house. So for lady woman they be target under this project, I think say na fine something that one day. Of course when I hear what my boss don't say, this na thing where person not for play with too much. Even a money before you want come up, before ever you put her on, you therefore don't wash your hand with soap and water because that one then are the simple one. We're not gonna say all man gets sanitizer. But in fact, if you get hand sanitizer, where you get alcoholic gas, you know, rub in them. But we know that one day expensive. For some of them, we use soap and water. We wash your hand, then we put them on. Then anytime when you want for pull am, you can make sure say you pull am sample one. And one of the things as Mrs. Janet in the talk, these locally made marks maybe they use now, that one they don't create jobs. So we local people as compared to the other one that we didn't get, where that one day na the Englishman and the Westman they use. So this is more better for we, as soon as every madam don't say it is able for help we if even they talk now. Sometimes if madam not being get her or me get her for them they speak, what we call droplets, when go meet somebody, sometimes you don't know say are infected of the virus. So if you don't meet you, that one there will be problem. So now that make governments don't say they want to make sure say everybody they use face masks. Even when you then are your host, you find for they use them because the picking day, you man day, you know, especially when they cough, they sneeze. Of course, we all don't know their signs and now, so when they cough, they go for bend your elbow, when they sneeze, and all of these things. But if I for also the user now, especially when you don't know, say, somebody there where they feel them small symptoms there. Or at times, you can see somebody way well, like how at Tinapso, and well at the top fine one. But the sick at times go there for me, but you know, don't even know, say, it there for me. Like Madame the talk, I go down there to go engage something there. That's not be one of the reasons they want them in the food. They say we well, nothing not do we have them go say we get the sick. But you don't mean say when you well, not mean say you don't get the sick. So now that one there, I want to encourage you now. Let me continue for the use of face masks. Let me be very careful when we know the church. If you mistake church and self, if you get hand sanitizer, use them. If you get any side able to get water, before able for washing hands. So basically, let me know that one day. Sometimes, the thing where this thing good, we can help you for washing. When you pull them soft in a way, when you go pull them so. If you get something, if you put water near you now, as you pull them, you all and so soft. You just take and you put them inside the water and the bucket. You wash them clean one, you go dry them. When you dry them, then the morning before they use them, if you don't get chance for iron them, okay. But if you get time, it's also good for you to get some small one. Whatever you use it, you also use hand sanitizer. The reason being, you know sometimes the time we don't hang small dirty or dust, they don't get on it. So now that makes it good for you use hand sanitizer or you wash your hand, then you iron a small one. So basically, let me not forget that one. Then let me make sure what we put on, it knows for the cover. You understand? So we go help for save with family. All of this, what they say, we don't say not easy for we know this for them, but we go for use them for protect yourself, for protect your family, and we love one thing because we don't want anything happen to anybody. So there with the baby, now let me continue for the use face masks. Anytime we go, we save now an agent of change. We say for me, the mama, they now the sister, they all there. When you go, you see, you never tell them. Wear masks, where I find. You not say for be agents for go and spread this good news for make sure say everybody they open for use masks. So Madam Woki, I want to tell you thank you on a target woman. We market woman then. I don't know how they all don't develop the strategy for how we go communicate and how we go mobilize people. Woman there, now one of the people who put us to target audience them. Because we have been known saying that they are the caregivers. You go to the market, I don't want them to do it. They go for go markets, then they sell. We go for pushing the parents in this country. So I want to tell you thank you. I want to know that the EOC day here for giving out the moral support on me. And I want to wish you all the best. Supporting our Madam Yata, I want to thank you for giving this opportunity.
We are discussing the lesson.
Yes, exactly.
They can't call that no more than the nobody lets Then the woman lets go. So we are this back, nobody not collect them. You will well, now you will not go inside for the or keke, the guy can say, hey, I get here, when no. You know the one we don't have before. Or what man goes outside, say, let's speak with no. Then they will take the barra. But what's the less possible? What's the less possible? And the thing I forget.
see. Yes, we tell them plenty. You don't learn plenty from them. This, you know, every day I've been at school, every day they learn new things. We self was lawyer so, and I'm sure so many at the same time. We don't do this campaign, something that they will talk to them, even we self no we know, yeah? So that nobody don't feel shame or some kind of because you know we know or waiting. We don't know that for us, yeah. Now we learn together, now we go together. You understand this problem? Not all one problem, not all one problem. They allow both, pass the message for pass. So now where the message, people can fight so you tap and say, no, wear your mask. You can't give me the sick. Because when you don't wear your mask, you don't protect them. Because when you talk, you don't talk for them. But in there, they can't talk for you. So you get to push them back and say, no, not near me too much. No, wear your mask. We are big. Let me learn for them in there. I beg. I think the time we will end that now. We want to show some of the teleman. Let them say, go they don't in the background and then they do the work. Let them say, people they see some of the heroes. They are the real heroes. I think so. They be there. Okay. So we are able to find them and interact with them. And so the woman they be able to see the woman there. Once the woman they come to go. Alright. We go find them and meet with them. They don't walk off. Yes, but because when it's social distance, they are not tight. They are big. Then we get one, we say, anything, need any more information, like how EOC did, and I work with this, they work now, but make sure that it's 6 over there. They get all the information to them, but so anything they want and understand, or so they want to go to make it, all the person can talk to them back who we are on a contact with, get the number. Contact with the person in touch with the EOC. Then they go meet to the day, then they go explain to them. Yeah? But inshallah, and by the time they say Monday or Tuesday, all the markets are inside Twitter. They call it by batch. We get some young man and I with the youth ambassador, and I will be talking to them. Then they go register. And they register, the markets will come out, you name all things, and then talk, you sign for almost mass to take. Because something to cancel, then they go monitor now. Go don't do that. So when they go back to council, we go tell them, say, Egan Street, we don't give them all. So then they go down to Egan Street, so go make sure say that they wear their mask. When they go to inspector, when they get to the market keeper, they don't know. City council, they work with them and then now for make sure say, we don't give them a mask. Oh, indeed, they wear. Yeah? We are a big with a big. What's a power, and a big with a big. All man now with a push. All man do, you really side. That is sick for common here. I think that I see one of the people. I just see one of the organization the way Batowi. This one they call Flash. This one here so we don't need more than they call her any hour. Say hey, that's what we need for go. They are motorcar. Then they send for Willie motorcar. Then send for Willie driver. Then they put petrol. We know they pay them nothing. For second level everyone. People register now and we believe in the master. And I think concerning Maya going for interview 1 or 2 of them and then carry with them. But they are when they interview member that social. No, me and me I will say. No, the member down there big. We get small list of fast month. I don't say for people to live fast, so we get small fast month. They give people the school and the week. When you enable it and I have them, you go able to care and go use away the cost fast with the other person, yeah. But really, lot of people talk with campaign. Me personally, I just want to really take it. They really pour it for money. And the best news we are getting them for today, I mean, just want to forget the talk. When we don't know it also, people that they now we don't see what we do, we don't believe what we do. They don't come there without for battle for go down at the western rural area. You understand? Other people they want to work with an organization where they call Voice of Catalonia, Young Catalonia. They don't say come with me when they work with them. So when they can't go to the same thing all the time, also now, when they can't go to another side when they call one C, what's the western area rural. You see they go confirm say after we on the next side we want begin one, that was C. So we say when they follow the thing, you know, we don't wait to pass number don't hide before they go there. When they can't go they want to say, oh go what C. Now that people that went up now what C the teleman they wouldn't know what C and then they make the master for what C. We don't make that master okay and go carry them. We don't make master that want to carry and go. Also ever the people that they will make the master let the people themselves get small and the gentry when they come up on the master. So the person when they back, the person we don't see up there for that particular campaign day. Some of them don't have a Kaya Christmas all my mission and a fun time. Now what actor what they call it Idris Elba. He don't see what they do. He say in brother Anthony Rudiger post for Pluto. Now he say, well, I don't see what it is, what I don't know that Pluto. This is the upper small and the carry this thing along on the next side. So that's how we for like a brother and sister. We all need together. Whosoever you deal with the FM push. So they allow clap for that thing. That was all.
So each Robalo they go now, they 500 masks. Yeah, so one of the things you know they go now, because now they go buy chop for you. Okay, Walga for me.
And this is like the Leo.
Like the bag. Walga for me copy the paper. Because one of the things you know we notice that won't give people there, some of them use as decoration. So now they go now. You know, this why I saw Walga for get one word, Walga for a process. If somebody they go and mark it, say something that you never hear it said. Sometimes forget for wear a mask. Also for bad, just like A, and for protect yourself to cover your face. Because at the end of the day, if you say no one in the person gets, after like the person gets and then they try to come pass and to you in a problem. Yeah, so now the word that.
Okay.
Thank you.
I don't know if the Secretary General could I go talk something on behalf of the Bible? Are you going to talk?
I don't say that. You don't use face mask. You won't put cleanliness whether you use face mask. You don't distribute it all side. But as soon as I say, now and if for past message go right down and the best people in that because we they meet with almost 1,000 people in a day. If my Kituma sit on a table, at least it must get 50% where they can't snap my table. So it pass the message to her. And say then Marcia will make the best use of her. We go distribute them to the market and even the people the way they can't buy we can give them because we they save ourselves to save them. And I want to tell you now say the message we now give it, we don't get them, we just say add to distribute the message because the over could focus 1,000 we get on it. So we tell you now thank you on behalf of Market Women Association. We tell you now thank you, we appreciate. We will make best use of that.
All right. Ambassador. Yes. For beginning, what would the Secretary General make it guide you? Yes, make it guide you. Yeah.
So I take them through.